guy that came out was quite familiar with this name brand. He's like, good luck, Des, but you're going to have an issue with this company. It just seems like they last every 4 years where they're supposed to last 6, and they don't. So,
Well, your warranty is 6, which is good.
yeah, but try getting a hold of them and telling them that it's.
Yeah.
I don't want to. This is exactly what happened 4 years ago.
Uh,
I just don't want to deal with it. So
okay.
we'll see.
Okay.
See what you can do.
Well, you got it shows the blue light.
Right now it's on, but
Oh,
since
okay.
Tuesday it's been off and on, off and on, off and like it shuts off randomly. I come back out, I turn this off, let it sit, and then I turn it back on.
Okay.
Yesterday it went off twice, not sure why.
Okay.
I mean, this thing is sealed and closed. Like I said, we've been here since 2015, but
Okay. Well, I'll take a look at it. I'll measure the thermopile voltage. That's the voltage that creates the powers the circuit board.
okay.
I'll try and test the valve. There's a test you can do on the valve, like an ohm test, to make sure that it's within range.
Okay.
Could be your circuit board. Could be there's a problem with the circuit board if it's just randomly shutting off.
Yeah.
It never threw any. It never flashed red at all.
Well, I don't come here. I don't. By the time I come out here, I mean, I'm not really. There's no system that I can know from inside that the water. You know, by the time I come out here, it's already. This thing isn't blinking at all. So
And you
I
only
haven't-
come out when the water's cold, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So
It's
you
my
don't-
understanding there's a less than 5 minute window, and then it disappears. Somebody in the past, when I had the prior unit, had said, could be that this thing when it leaks, but the insulation isn't wet. Maybe the pilot shuts off, so I had them install a pan. I mean, we're back to square one again. So,
And no water ever showed up. Yeah, I do see those
No.
drips right there.
no water ever showed
Usually
up.
you get that from the drain, if the drain valve leaks, but you've got a brass drain valve, so that really shouldn't be happening.
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
I'll see what I can see with it. If not,
Okay.
hopefully something jumps out
Okay.
and is obvious. And
Okay. Thanks for your
otherwise, I can try, changing some parts on it just to give you different parts, and
Okay.
then we kind of go from there and
Okay.
hope that gets it.
Yeah.
And you've already had the gas company measure the
Yeah.
amount of gas
7
that's coming
point,
in.
whatever he said, 8 point something. Yeah, it's.
Okay,
he said
water
it's,
column. Did he call it a water column?
I don't know what he called it,
Probably. That's a measurement for gas.
but yeah.
That sounds pretty decent. It only uses 4 inches. So you would have had problems from the beginning if that was the issue.
Yeah, the guy, the SDG said it's nothing to do with your gas line.
Okay.
All
Well,
right.
I'll let you out.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. And I'll let you know what I find.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
7 to 8.9 lockup, gas pressure. That's his wording, so I wrote it down.
Okay. Yeah, I'm comfortable with that. I mean, they'll discover it if there's an issue.
Yeah.
So,
Perfect, thank
all
you.
right, you're welcome. Okay, doing a service call. Sounds like the gas valve to me. Got my new prescription glasses on. I put my reading glasses over that. Okay, so we have 650 pretty steady, just locked in. Never really seen that before. There you go. 650 millivolts using my Klein Tools multimeter. Love it. So nothing going on there. There is like some water. I don't know where that would have come from. I don't see water anywhere. I got a message. I don't know if you guys test the valves a lot. If you do, let me know. You do the ohm reading tests on the valves. I find that to kind of be useless. But I got some feedback where people said that it was very useful. So maybe I'm doing it wrong. $11 and 11, the perfect reading. gonna try this A.O.Smith circuit board. Looks like I cut it free. Says all the same codes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This has 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this has more codes on it. More crap to go wrong. I am starting to get low on these circuit boards that take the chamber sensor. And I don't want to give her one without a chamber sensor. I'll leave this one here. And hope that this one's not bad. Gotta purge it a little bit. There we go. So her comment was this rust right here in the front. See that there's a little bit of rust? That could just be condensation that runs down the front. Try and get a decent view of the flame. That's really all I can do. I'll leave her circuit board here. I'll leave that here. Kind of move the insulation up a little bit, maybe help it get a little bit of air. Anyway, that's all I've got for this service call. Appreciate you watching the video. Consider subscribing to the channel, and we will see you on the next one.